Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use SushiSwap for decentralized exchanges. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. First, navigate to the SushiSwap website by entering the URL in your browser. Ensure that you are using a secure and reputable web browser. Once the website loads, click on the Launch App button to access the trading interface. You'll need a cryptocurrency wallet to interact with SushiSwap. If you don't have a wallet, consider downloading options such as MetaMask or Trust Wallet. After setting up your wallet, make sure you connect it to the SushiSwap platform. Click on the Connect Wallet button located at the top right corner of the screen. Select your wallet type from the list of available options. Follow the prompts to authorize the connection between your wallet and SushiSwap. Once connected, you can see your wallet balance reflected on the interface. To start trading, navigate to the Trade section in the menu. Choose the tokens you want to swap by selecting one from the drop-down menus. Enter the amount of your selected token that you wish to swap. The platform will automatically calculate the equivalent amount for the token you want to receive. Review the transaction details, ensuring that everything looks correct. Keep an eye on the slippage tolerance settings at the bottom of the screen. If you are okay with the default settings, you can proceed, or you can adjust it according to your preferences. Once you are satisfied, click on the Swap button to initiate the transaction. A confirmation window will pop up, displaying the details of your transaction. Review the details one last time and confirm the swap. Your wallet will request permission to complete the transaction, so approve it. After the transaction is processed, you will see a notification on the screen. You can check your wallet to confirm that the tokens have been exchanged successfully. If you want to provide liquidity, navigate to the Liquidity section. Select the tokens you want to add to a liquidity pool. Enter the amount of each token you wish to supply. SushiSwap will show you the pool share you will receive in return. Confirm the details and click on the Supply button. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.